Why everyone feels lost in their 20s? Bakit parang lahat tayo lost sa 20s? Kahit ginagawa naman natin yung best natin. Real talk, hindi ka nag-iisa. Araw-araw, scroll ka lang sa social media. May makikita kang ka-age mo na may sariling business, milyon-milyon ang kinikita, may sariling life. Tapos ikaw, nag-iisip kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa mo? Pressure is real. From family, sa sarili mo, at sa social media. Pero ang hindi mo nakikita, yung doubts, yung pagod, at yung failure during the process nila. At eto yung truth. Being lost doesn't mean you're behind. Minsan, ibig sabihin lang, nag-figure out ka pa. And that's part of the process. Habang sila busy magpakita ng wins, ikaw, busy ka mag-build. And one day, ikaw naman. And reminder ko lang ulit, hindi ka lost. Nasa process ka lang. Kaya keep going.